Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password on TikTok. First of all, just gonna need to have an account on TikTok. How to do that? Just install TikTok or download TikTok on your phone and create your account. After doing that, just go straight to TikTok. Then, after opening TikTok, just go to your profile. After going to your profile, you will see three lines at the top right of the application. Click on it, then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, all you need to do, just click on Manage Account. Then Password. If you want to change your password, you have two ways. You have the way with using your phone number, and you have the way of using your email. So let's say, for example, you want to change the password with the email. You'll just type your email here, say for example this, then click at send code. Oh, let me type my email correctly. So as you can see, they send the message to this email. So after sending the message, you will type the code that you received. Then the email will be added to your account. And here you can change your password. So type whatever password you want. Let's say for example for me, I'm gonna type a random until you do what they are asking for. Like you need from 8 to 20 characters, letters, numbers, and special character. I'm going to do this. So as you can see, this will be my code. All I have to do next is just click on next and the password will change. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.